Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect crypto.com to Onchain wallet. So first thing you have to do is open your Onchain wallet and then tap on the wallet at the bottom right. So in here, you will see these button to connect crypto.com account. So tap on this one. And now once you tap on that one, you just have to click on this two checkbox and then tap on connect wallet. So in here you have to authenticate the connection. So put your email here and then check your email and tap on this connect button in there in the middle. Click on that one and then you will be redirected here where you have to enter your crypto.com app passcode. So just input that and then you have to set up your two-factor authentication. So tap on setup now and then tap on this two-factor authentication right here and just tap on this button to toggle it on. And then here is a QR code where you have to scan this using a Google Authenticator. So it depends on you and what app you're gonna use. So just scan on that one and then tap on proceed to verify. And now it's already successfully enabled. So just go ahead and tap on proceed to verify since we're done with 2FA. And then just just enter your 2FA code earlier and then tap on continue. And then authorize the connection by tapping on this authorize connection at the bottom. And then just go ahead and tap on the checkbox and connect wallet. And that's it. Your connection is already successful. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!